how to download and install Venmo app on iPhone. So if you want to download and install the Venmo application on iPhone, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now all we have to do is we have to simply go ahead and then first of all make sure that you're connected to a proper internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Now once you make sure of that, what you want to do from here is you want to simply go ahead and then open up your app store. Once you open up your app store, this is the type of interface you will see. Now here you can tap on the search icon from the very top of the screen, right? Then here you can simply search for Venmo and then just hit the search bar. Once you've done that, you'll find the Venmo application there. If you have never installed Venmo on your iPhone before, you'll find the get icon there. If you've installed it before and uninstalled it, you'll find this kind of download icon. And if you've already installed it but requires an update, you'll find an update button. So just tap on either of these options, and once done, if it asks you for a Face ID verification, by the way, make sure that you verify those, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then create your account as well. And this way you'll be able to download and install Venmo app on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.